Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study some problems in vector calculus, directional derivative and orthogonality problems. In which first problem, find the directional derivative of the function phi is equal to x square minus y square plus 2z square at the point P 1, 2, 3 in the direction of the line PQ where Q is the point 5, 0, 4. Directional derivative del phi is equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into x square minus y square plus 2z square. Dou by dou x of x square is 2xi. Dou by dou y of minus y square is minus 2y. Dou by dou z of 2z square is 2 into 2z. So we get that del phi at 1, 2, 3 that is 2i minus 4j plus 12k. In the question, that is the directional derivative along the PQ direction. So PQ is Q minus P. Q and P is given in the question, that is 5, 0, 4 minus 1, 2, 3 will give you PQ, that is 4, minus 2, 1. In which PQ cap, that is unit vector, that is PQ divided by mod PQ. So 4i minus 2j plus k divided by under root 16 plus 4 plus 1 means the sum of squares of coefficients in the vector. So we get that 4i minus 2j plus k divided by under root 21. We get that del phi dot a cap, that is 8 plus 12 divided by under root 21, because the divergence means just multiply the corresponding I, j, k terms and add it, and we get that 28 divided by under root 21. This is the directional derivative along PQ. Okay, directional derivative in the direction A means del phi dot a cap. This is the basic equation. Next question, for the function phi of x comma y is equal to x divided by x square plus y square, find the magnitude of the directional derivative along a line making an angle 30 degree with the positive x-axis at 0, 2. We first find the gradient of the function given. So del phi is equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into x divided by x square plus y square. We know that in the function x and y term, so we have dou by dou x and dou by dou y term only exist. So dou by dou x of the function, that is, it is in the form of division. So denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Next we want to find with respect to y derivative of this function. So we know that only y in the denominator term, so it is in the form of 1 by variable, that is equal to 1 by x derivative, that is minus 1 by x square. Like here, minus of x divided by x square plus y square whole square, y square derivative, that is into 2y. So after simplifying and substitute the point given, that is 0, 2, we get I by 4 as the gradient of this function. Also we want to find the directional derivative along a line making an angle 30 degree. So we want to find the vector which make 30 degree with the positive x-axis. For this we just draw this graph, that is 30 degree with the positive x-axis, and the vector is represented as cos 30. We know that here the adjacent side as cos 30 and opposite side as sin 30. The adjacent side as x and opposite side as y. So cos 30i plus sin 30j is the representation of vector which makes 30 degree with the positive x-axis. So we know that root 3 by 2 I plus 1 by 2 j is the values of cos 30 and sin 30. So directional derivative, that is del phi dot a cap, means del phi into root 3 by 2 I plus 1 by 2 j. We know that the del phi is given del phi is get before, that is I by 4. So we get that is root 3 by 8 only. Next problem, find the directional derivative of v square, where v is xy square I plus zy square j plus xz square k. At the point 2, 0, 3 in the direction of the outward normal to the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 14 at the point 3, 2, 1. So first we want to find v square, because the directional derivative of v square is the question. So v dot v is v square, so just square of the coefficient, that is x square y power 4, z square y power 4, x square z power 4 is the v square. And gradient of this function means derivative with respect to x, derivative with respect to y, derivative with respect to z. So we know that we have two terms in x, that means 2x y power 4 plus 2x z power 4 I cap plus x square 4y cube plus z square 4y cube j cap plus 2z y power 4 plus 4z cube x square k cap, and substitute the point 2, 0, 3 in xyz respectively, and we get that 324i plus 432 k cap. Okay, and the question in which the condition that the directional derivative in the direction of outward normal to the sphere. So sphere equation is given, so we have to find the normal to that. So normal to this, we just find del phi for that also, that is 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk, and at the point 3, 2, 1 means we substitute the 3, 2, 1 values here, and we know that in the direction of outward normal to the sphere means del v square dot a cap. So we have to find the unit vector in the direction and divergence with that of gradient. So we have to find the unit vector means divided by the squares of coefficient, that is 36 plus 16 plus 4. Here the divergence 24 into 6 plus 432 into 2 divided by under root 36 plus 16 plus 4. We get that 1404 divided by under root 14 is the answer. Next problem, find the constants m and n such that the surface mx square minus 2nyz is equal to m plus 4 into x will be orthogonal to the surface 4x square y plus z cube is equal to 4 at the point 1, minus 1, 2. Here in the question, two surfaces are given, and also there is a condition that the surfaces are orthogonal. So we want to find the constants m and n. At the point 1, minus 1, 2, the surfaces are orthogonal. That means the point which exists in the two surfaces also. So we have to substitute the point in the equation of the first surface, and from that we can get n is equal to 1. Next data we used here, that is they are orthogonal. That means we just find the normal of first surface and second surface. First surface normal means just gradient. We know that the gradient, that is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, and the surface equation, and just derivative with respect to x, y and z, and we substitute the points given in the question. Okay, so we get the equation normal to the phi 1 del phi 1. Next also we want to find the gradient of the second surface with respect to x, y, z derivative. Also we substituted x, y, z in the question, and the data is given that they are orthogonal, means del phi 1 dot del phi 2 is equal to 0. Phi 1 and phi 2 orthogonal, then normals are perpendicular to each other. Okay, So del phi 1 dot del phi 2 is equal to 0. So we get del phi 1 as like this and del phi 2 as like this. So dot means just multiply the I components and j components and k components and just add and equate with the 0. We get m is equal to 5.